How to get Garden Cat token in Monopoly Go. So first, you just have to simply launch your Monopoly Go application. So if you go to the right side, you will see here an event, and one of these events is what we call gardening quarters. So if you tap this one, you will see that if you complete this event, you will get this prizes: 5,000 dice, a sticker pack, a garden cat token, and also this dog emoji here. So how to complete these four gardens and what are the ways to acquire this or to complete this? Of course, first you have to collect this what they call flower token. And all you have to do is to land on tiles that have the token of flower and collect them. Number two, you can get tokens by finishing the quick wins. So all you have to do is to simply finish any of the task here, then you will get this flower token. Third is, of course, you have to complete milestone in daily in-game events. As you can see, the top 10, 9, they have received this flower token. Once you have obtained this little flower tokens, you can now go back to gardening partners events. And here you must ask four of your Monopoly pals or friends to play gardening partners with you as a partner. To add more friends to games, select invite under the friends option if you don't already have four or if they're ignoring you. To spin a wheel that awards points towards reaching each of the five milestones, click on the profile of your friend located in the middle of your Monopoly Go board. The multiplier for your speed, which can be seen at the upper right corner of the Gardening Partners wheel, can be increased by accumulating gardening tokens. So all you have to do is to simply participate and play with your friends till you get these prizes and also this garden cat token. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.